Hi friends, my name is Sushil and welcome to my channel by Finovative. Today we'll be talking about how to select a term insurance plan. Very recently, there was a report about the insurance company where they mentioned about the increase in the payment amount collection, and there is an increase in the selection of term insurance by the people. What could be the reason that led to the increase in the interest towards the term insurance? Maybe it's because of the COVID-19, which made them think about the future of their family in case of any unfortunate event of death. In our market, there are more than 20 life insurance company which provides term insurance. So how do you select a company and a term insurance which is very much apt for you? So in this video, we'll be talking about how to select a company and a term plan. Also, we'll discuss about how to customize a term plan. So without much delay, let's get started. So when you're going to select a company for a term insurance, there are certain 3 points that I would say you should consider. First one is the longevity of the company. Why we should worry about the longevity of the company? Because for a term insurance, we are thinking about a time of more than 20 years or 30 years. Okay. So a company, when we are taking a term insurance, should exist after 20 or 30 years in the market for them to provide us with the term insurance amount missed. If a company is not going to exist, or you have a doubt about a company that it may not exist after 20 years, then you should not go for that particular company term insurance at all. One of the examples that I would give is the situation of Max Life Insurance. Previously, Max Life Insurance was known as Max New York Life Insurance. This is because of the US partner which they had with them, and the name was considered as Max New York Life Insurance. Very recently, the New York, that is the US partner, which is a New York Life Insurance, has moved out, and they have got a new partner from Japan, which is Sumitomo. So for a person who is going to take a life insurance or a term insurance, they will always have a doubt. If the partners keep changing, there is so much of uncertainty with that company. Will this company exist after 20 years? That's first question that we should think about. So select a company which has a very good market foothold and has a very good reputation, and also possibility that this company will exist after 20 to 30 years, okay, to pay us with our premium. That's the first point. Second point is the claim settlement ratio, which is known as a CSR. So what is this claim settlement ratio? It's simple. It is the ratio of claims settled by the company to the claims received by the company. Okay. So any ratio which is more than 95%, we consider it as a very good claim settlement ratio. Okay. Third one is the premium. First thing, let me clarify. Having a very high premium doesn't mean that particular term insurance is good. With the criteria that all the term insurance are providing a similar features, check the company is good, check its claim settlement ratio, and then you consider the premium is low or not. So after the point number 1 and 2, if this particular 2 points are considered, and then you find a list of companies, among those you can just go for the low premium company which is providing the term insurance. Okay, after the first two only you should be considered the third point. So this is the know your company. So with this particular slide, I'm sure that you would have identified a set of companies that will be providing term insurance. Okay, and among that you can consider the low premium one, which is very good for your term insurance plan. Okay, now you select a term insurance plan. So what next? We have to customize the term insurance, right? So what does this customization of term insurance mean? The first point is be specific about how much time you need the same term insurance cover for. So it can be 27 years, it can be 30 years, it can be 35 years based on your age. A person with a 30 years age, most of them, they will go for a term insurance of 35 years. So based on your time period that you're selecting, your term insurance premium also changes. Second thing, do you need an accidental cover or a critical illness cover? Every term insurance comes with separate riders. One of the riders would be accidental cover, and second one will be the critical illness cover. So, what does this accidental cover and critical illness cover means? With the existing premium of your term insurance, with a slight addition of an amount, you will get a rider called accidental cover, which in case of any unfortunate event of accidental death, the promised term insurance amount is doubled based on whatever plan they suggest. Or in case of any critical illness cover, and if you selected this rider, all the expenses of your treatment will be covered by this particular plan. Okay. Third one is the payout option. In case of any unfortunate event of your death, how does the payout happen to your family? Is what being discussed in this particular payout option. So when you select a when you select the term insurance, you have to specify the payout option how it needs to happen. Two of the payout options that I can suggest you here is, one is your family member or the nominee gets the bulk amount of the term insurance amount promised into their bank account in one shot. That is one. Second thing is 50% of the term insurance amount promised will be given to your nominee, and the remaining 50% will be paid out as monthly installments. Okay, so these are two kinds of payout option that is available. So these things you have to customize while you're taking term insurance. So make sure that you just give the proper informations and you think well before you start with this particular term insurance. So once you're done with the customization, you can take the term insurance and you can just pay out the premium. As I said previously, there are more than 20 life insurance companies available in Indian market, and all of them are providing term insurance. So how do we identify these best things is what I discussed in the first slide. Just to make it simple, I've selected the best 6 term insurance available in our market. That's what I've listed it here. So those are Tata AA Life Insurance, HDFC Life, Max Life Insurance, ICICI Pro Life, LIC India, and SBI Life. So these are 6 best life insurance providers which have their own term insurance plans and features. So what I recommend is that you go to their websites, just go through the plans, and whichever you find is apt for you, you can select those uh, term insurance. Okay. Um, just to give a tip, what I find is that LIC India has the highest premium. So, and as I said, having a highest premium does not mean that they are providing a very good additional covers, or having a less premium doesn't mean that plan is having a very less feature. All of them have similar features. Okay, the only difference is that the company, based on the company, they have different premium amounts. My suggestion is that ICICI Pro Life iProtect Smart is one of the best term insurance available, and it's not a recommendation, but I would suggest you to go and have a look into it. And I found this is much more cheaper and with all the features available in this particular term insurance. I hope you found this video helpful, and in case you have any comments or doubts, please feel free to comment below. And thank you so much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.